Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to see your follower count on Snapchat, or to see how many people are actually following you on Snapchat. Now there's a couple ways we can do this. The first way is just privately, and then the second way allows other people to see how many people are following you with your public profile. So let's go ahead and look at the first method where only we see it. So in the top left corner, you'll see either your latest snap or your profile image, and you're going to just go ahead and select that, and then you're going to just go ahead and scroll down here on the next screen until you see my public profile. Now once you get there, just go ahead and tap on that, and you're going to see right under your name the amount of followers that you have. Now if you want to show this on your public profile permanently where everyone can see it, then you would just go ahead and tap on this gear icon up here in the right corner, and then go ahead and go to edit profile. And then right down here, you have this option to show follower count, and you would just simply go ahead and turn that on so that others can see it as well. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If so, feel free to give me a like on this video, and thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day.